Hello guys, in this video I would like to give you my opinion about GameStop, what will happen next week and what is my price target by July 21st when Roaring Kitty's 20 strike price calls will expire. As you know, last Friday GameStop reached $48 but at the close went down 39.38%. Of course, everything I talk here is not trading advice, is not financial advice, and you need to do your own research before investing in GameStop because it's extremely risky and you can lose a lot of money on this trade. First, we need to look, in my opinion, in the options chain to see what are the contracts that traders bought the most. And you would be surprised to see that for next Friday, June 14th, the most bought contract is the 128 strike price call. And there are 77.7 thousand contracts on the strike price. This translates into a more than $8 million investment. I know there is a possibility that they could have sold those calls and this could be a bearish strategy, but we don't know that. We're not sure. Maybe they bought the contracts before the close on Friday and they are hoping for a short squeeze at the beginning of the week. Even a 20, 30, 40% movement in the stock price could result in a 3, 5, 10x move on those contracts, on those calls, if this short squeeze starts on Monday. We don't know that. We can also see that on June 21st, when Roaring Kitty's 20 strike price will expire, there are also a lot of contracts for the 125 strike price and some for the 100 strike price. So there are expectations that a gamma squeeze will come. We don't know that. We're not sure if this will happen. I identified this entry thanks to the buy and sell indicators that I have and that you can also have if you write me your TradingView username to enable a trial for you, indicators that you can use on the TradingView platform. The idea behind the indicators is to buy after the green vertical line after the two buy signals and you will get a nice entry. Usually if you buy using this strategy, you will be profitable. I will tell you right now a strategy from my trading course. You can also find my trading course in the description of this video or you can join my trading group. This strategy is based on footprint charts to see, for example, when big players are selling the stock. And this is an important example and case study because on GameStop we could identify that if we use the strategy that I'll be mentioning next. Instead of trading on one day, we go to 5 minutes, deactivate the buy and sell indicators, and then instead of candles, regular candles or Heikin Ashi, we're going to use volume footprint. Then you need to zoom more to check what type of volume each candle has. How many shares were sold or bought on a particular candle on the 5-minute time frame. For me, if I want to day trade, I use the 5-minute time frame. I consider this to be the best. You can also see here the VWAP, the volume weighted average price, and some chart patterns. So on the second top of this pattern of the double top, we can see here that delta, which is the difference between the total buy and the total sell, was negative and there were more than 277,000 shares sold than bought. Next candle was a sell-off candle. The difference between the shares bought and sold was minus 369,000. So more than 369,000 calls were sold than bought. Then the next candle was also a strong sell candle and a lot of candles were bearish. I mean, what we want to see for a reversal is more shares bought than those that are sold. And we can see that just before the close, this delta the number between the total buy and the total sell of the shares started to be green, started to be positive once again, or at least to be mixed. So this is a strategy from my trading course, the footprint charts. This is not the most advanced footprint chart strategy that you can use, but it is very useful to see this difference and to see at which price of a candle there were more buys than sells. In conclusion, I am still bullish on GameStop, and I believe that it will reach at least $40 once again before the June 21st expiration date. If you want to check my results on the options market, you also have print screens from my entries and my exits of my signals in the description of this video. I wish you many profitable trades.